Lol. So apparently the speed limit on this beautiful road for cars is 80 kmph and for bikes it is 60 kmph. So 80 is written there on the board.
Really, nigga?
And they say that for bikes it is 60, but it's not written anywhere. 60. And I don't think anybody is following that, but जो मिले उनको डालो, but at least they're giving a receipt, so it's okay. So just a heads up, if you're exiting Bangalore on your Hayabusa, do not go more than 60. And if you're going in a Maruti 800, do not go more than 80. चलो. Hello YouTube, how y'all doing? So I'm in Bangalore once again, and that's Aditya. If you remember from my earlier vlog, earlier this year I had gone to Pune, Skyline Auto Solutions. So he's the guy, he's in Bangalore. So how जबरदस्त है. Say hi to my subscribers भाई. Subscribers को hello तो बोलो. Hello. So that's Aditya. He's in Bangalore since a month, so he'll be here for a while, so we thought why not catch up. So I'm heading to Joe's today, Joe's Garage.
We last saw each other in Pune.
Huh?
We last
saw each other, bola ho. So the reason is because two things. I had sent my RX engine, the RX 135 engine here for some port work and all to Nisar bhai, and I wanted to get the valve work and all done. For this bike, I was pending since a while. That's the reason I've not been riding. Plus, it was rainy season. So, anyhow, we are heading to Joe's now. If you all don't know, Joe is, according to me, one of the finest and most knowledgeable mechanics in the country right now for these bikes. He's been doing it since donkey's years, the bike modifications, tune-ups and all that. So I thought that would be the best option. And as usual, as you all know, I'm addicted to Bangalore and Mumbai. I keep going every day, and Racer Chick has gone back to Mumbai, so I also needed some diversion to keep myself not sad. Anyhows, let's go to Joe's, and basically the engine's gonna be, the head is gonna be opened up, and the valve shim timing, blah 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 blah, everything will be changed. And also one more thing, Kawasaki, I don't know what the fuck Kawasaki is doing. Since they separated from Bajaj, they've taken ages to set up shop in Hyderabad. Although one of my friend got the dealerships, but yeah, there's a lot of problem going on regarding the labor charges, the service quality and blah blah blah. So I suggest any of you want to get any major work done, right down to Bangalore.
क्या बोले?
बैंगलोर की ट्रैफिक कैसी दिख रही इस पे?
सिग्नल का टाइमर खत्म हो गया, लेकिन रेड से अभी तक उतना नहीं.
But still, this thing's a lot more flickable than the Busa and all. खाली यूँ नफीस कटा मार लेते चल जा रहे हैं. So we went at शिवाजी नगर, and शिवाजी नगर अपना छोटा ओल्ड सिटी के वैसी है. पूरे गोश्त के दुकाना, होटल, चाय के अड्डे, वही मसला रहता है इधर पूरा. तो वी शुड बी कमिंग अप टू जोज एनी मोमेंट नाउ. इधर से कहीं से एक राइट लेते कि आ जाता हो. आई रिमेंबर दिस लेन. Finally we're here. Let's just. We just reached Joe's garage, and Aditya's bike is there. Let's have a look inside. So the engine work's roughly gonna take 2 days. So I'll be staying put here and getting it done and leaving back to Hyderabad probably on Monday. So let's hope we can just get the engine opened up today. At least 2-3 घंटे का तो काम है. Jose has just gone inside and the bike's parked here. क्या बोलते भैया बैंगलोर का सीन कैसा है? जबरदस्त है नहीं? बागुंदी.
The next day, the next day, the next day.
So yesterday I got most of my work at Joe's done. Joe's garage. I was there. I keep visiting Bangalore very often because my sister stays here, and it's kind of the nearest road trip destination from Hyderabad, just 500 kilometers. You see the weather is beautiful. It's always beautiful here. My favorite road here in Bangalore, one of the most favorite roads in the city, the Electronic City flyover. This road is beautiful, man. So anyhows, yesterday I was at Joe's and then I was at Nisar Bhai's place, NMW Racing. So I'd come here for Kisko mare bhai. Got the bike checked and the clearance was okay. So apparently I've ridden the bike very gently according to him. Never mind, but yeah, I've been very prompt on changing my engine oil and everything on time, so that saved me a lot of trouble. So but the engine head was pretty dirty, so that had to be opened and everything was clean, and my fuel, the throttle bodies, they were clean. I got new spark plugs and oil filter to its standard, so now the bike is smooth AF and it feels a lot more crisper and powerful as well. So that's a given. 40,000 ho gaye, mashallah. And then after that I had to go to Nisar Bhai's place, NMW Racing, because I sent my RXS engine again for porting and all that. So the work which was done in Hyderabad by my friend wasn't really up to the mark, so I had to get the whole thing redone here in Bangalore. And that's a big lesson, okay? Even if your friend is offering to build your engine, don't do it. You might get cheated, so it's better you get it done here itself in Bangalore. So now my bike is finally, the RX is finally ported, and chamber bada wala lag gaya uspe. So yeah, I'll be making a separate video on that. And yeah, why do I get all my engine work done at Joe's? Because Joe sir is the best guy, and apart from that, I have experienced his work, and not only him but each and every person who works there. They go out of the way, they check every little thing in your bike and fix it. And agar koi cheez hai in way, Joe sir can help out and think something out of the box to help you. They do that, which is something nobody else does. ऊपर से थूक पॉलिश का काम करके भिजा देते. So yep, that's the reason I visit Bangalore often and get all my work done. And Nisar Bhai, as usual, he's the expert in two strokes, and the kind of stuff he has for RXs and all I've not seen anywhere. So मेरा RX का भी पूरा काम उन्होंने ही करे. Now a lot of youths have been asking me and telling me various things, so I thought let's just record this vlog while I'm on the way back. One, why don't I keep meetups in my own city or when I go to other cities? So there are a couple of reasons for that. Okay, the first one being, I do not consider myself a celebrity. I am a very normal person like everyone else, and right from the beginning, from the time I started making vlogs and videos, I have always been a very amateur and more first hand experience देता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को चीज़ों का कि how a normal person would experience it. Of course, whatever talents I have, अपना wheeling का, Nafis cut का, and my knowledge about super bikes, I love sharing with you all. And secondly, I don't want you all to come to meet me from very very far. I know a lot of subscribers have come and met me काफ़ी दूर दूर से आके, so आप लोगों को तकलीफ़, and a lot of you are college students, so it's pretty risky as well, highways पे इधर उधर से दूर आना. And I love it when anyone meets me randomly, they click pictures, and they appreciate my work. I'm really glad, and I love each and every one of you. But you should understand that I am not that kind of person who's going to call you to one place and सबको जमा करके फोटो लेके डाल के. I don't want to show off that I have such a huge following or whatever, because that's just not my thing. हर किसी का स्टाइल है, अपना ये स्टाइल है. So I love interacting with you all whenever I get time, whenever randomly we meet or at some events, just Adino bhai ke events pe and all. A lot of my subscribers turn up. I love meeting them there, so that way I get time to connect. And so yep, that's the reason I do not keep subscriber meetups. You all can always keep following me on content, and even though I don't get a lot of time to reply to comments, you should know I read a lot of your comments. अभी क्या है, एक को रिप्लाई करके दूसरों को रिप्लाई नहीं दिया तो अच्छा नहीं दिखता ना. So that's why I keep improvising. Now secondly, a lot of you have been asking me since the past few days why I'm not making many vlogs, and why I'm not doing any long rides. See, you all should know that this is, and this always was and always will be, a hobby of mine. Motovlogging is not my profession. Motovlogging is not something I do all the time, every day. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not being paid by anybody to do anything. I have not been given this bike free of cost. पूरा अपने पैसों से लिए सो है. गाड़ी भी, पेट्रोल भी अपन डालते, शौक से फिरते, because it helps me rid of my other tensions or whatever, and of course मज़ा आता. And in that जितना भी time मिलता, whatever, I make videos for you guys because you guys enjoy watching it. And my basic point is not to behave like a superstar or consider myself a celebrity and show off to others that I have these many thousand subscribers, blah blah whatever. Since the beginning I've never been bothered about the number of subscribers I have. It's all about the content. If I make good content, relatable content, मस्खरापना करूँगा, people are automatically gonna love it. इनको देखो चांद. In the past couple of weeks, months, I've been a bit tied up and busy with other work-related commitments. I don't do a job or whatever. I finished my engineering, but yeah. And also, as you all know, Racer Chick was in town. A few weeks back, so I was busy with that as well. So I very rarely get time to shoot, and of course I don't use DSLRs and blah and pura professionally nahi karta hu, because of course, yeah, I told you, it's not my profession. It's just my hobby. I love doing this and I love sharing it with you all. I don't look at the monetary benefits and all involved in this. So yep, you all should understand, जब टाइम मिलता, जैसा भी रहता, आप लोगों के लिए अच्छा कंटेंट हमेशा आते रहेगा इंशाल्लाह. सो आई गेस दैट्स अबाउट इट. अभी भी जस्ट एग्जिटिंग बैंगलोर. ये अपने बैंगलोर के आउटर रिंग रोड के जैसी है. आई विल बी गेटिंग ऑन टू द रोड एंड heading back. So I hope I answered a lot of your questions, because been getting a lot of comments off lately. ऐसा vlogs नहीं बना रहे या meetups क्यों नहीं रखते. Inshallah, maybe someday I'll organize something for all of you, something good, something informative, something useful. बेकारी के मीटअप से अच्छा, some way I can benefit you guys. I'll for sure do that. And yeah, that's about it. So take care, have a good time, and bye bye.